A step-by-step guide in affiliate marketing. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Hello everybody, this is Ralph Martin and I'm the founder of the affiliateresource.com, and in this video I want to talk about how to sell affiliate products online and a step-by-step method by which you can do that. No worries, put away your credit card, this is completely free. What you're going to see in this video really is how to get started, how to learn how to sell affiliate products online, and in the process you will receive 2 free websites that you can build really in less than 2 minutes, and then get started on a 10-step process to learn how to sell affiliate products online. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the link below this video and you'll come to a page that looks just like this. It's a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels, whether you're experienced or whether you have never even heard of affiliate marketing. And what I want you to do is go ahead and just enter your email address, click on the Get Started button, and then what will happen is you will be directed to a page that looks just like this. And in this page, just type in your email address, your full name, pick a username that you would like to be referred to that you can remember, create a password, and click on the Get Started Now tab. And then you will come to a page that looks just like this. And what this is lesson 1 on how to get started. This is lesson 1 of a 10-lesson online entrepreneur certification course. So what will happen is you will go through this lesson, and what I really like about this format is as you read the lesson, you're going to come up to a 4-step process of becoming successful online, and that is step 1, choose an interest, step 2, build a website, step 3, attract visitors, and step 4, earn revenue. Then what will happen at the end of each lesson, what I really like about this is it gives you tasks to do for each lesson. And then you click off those tasks as you complete the lesson, kind of holds you accountable for that. You click on the next lesson and you go to lesson 2. But what I want to show you here is what the certification training course actually looks like. I'm coming up to the page, and what you get besides 2 free hosted WordPress websites is you get this 10-lesson online certification course, Getting Started, and you will receive 10 free lessons all the way from get rolling, understand how to make money online, choose a niche, build your own niche website, setting up your website, getting ready for the search engines, get traffic onto your website, creating your initial website content, creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords on your website, and then you get your certification. This course will teach you how to build a website and earn income from it. And the level of income you can earn is up to you. It can be anywhere from $1,000 a month on up to over $10,000 a month, depending on what effort you want to put into it. Again, go to underneath the video, you will click on the link and you'll come to this page, fill out your email address, go to this page. Once you do that, fill out this information, and then you'll end up on the 10-lesson certification course. And within the community, my name is Ralph Martin, and I will be your sponsor and will help you and guide you, and you will have a community of thousands of others who are making 7-8 figures a month online, and they're also willing to help you and teach you, and it's not like you have to pay for this training. So again, this is Ralph Martin, and you make it an awesome day. Take care.